Good morning, y'all. So, we've got all of our groceries put away, but I'm going to let y'all know we went to Albertsons, Sam's, and Walmart and did a few in-store and some grocery pickup. Got all of our stuff so that we can cook for the next couple of weeks, and we're going to take y'all along with us. I will post some big prices on the screen for like where each place we stopped. But if you want individual prices, just let me know. I'll probably plug in some of those awesome sale prices that I got on a few items too. So it'll make sense why I got some duplicate items. We're not really stocking up on anything right now. That may be naive of us. But we're in a small compact space. The only pantry size I have is really what's in the camper and that little bit of storage elsewhere. So that's why we're doing some canning things, so that I just feel like there's a cold winter coming and we may lose power, so that we have some things that aren't going to be coming out of the freezer that will take less energy to cook. I'm going to take y'all around and show y'all. And if you have any questions or advice or anything you want to leave, just leave them in the comments. Let's get started. Alright y'all, so we're going to start down here at the Walmart grocery pickup side. We got some more sweet tea for Thatcher, a big bag of hash browns. This is the 4-pound bag. I just needed 2-pound, but the smallest version was a little bit too small, so I just got the 4-pound, and we'll save the other half. Got the kids some more of their favorite popsicles. They don't even know that they're sugar-free. Got another ham hock so we can have some more white beans and ham hock. I know these are not good for you, but I eat these for a snack sometimes, or even sometimes for lunch. If it's just me, I can heat one of these, and there you go. Quick and easy and cheap lunch. I got 2 more packs of bacon, and this bacon actually, it's a little bit more expensive than some of the other places, but it's a lot less fat. Like, I feel like we get more bacon out of this pack than a lot of the others. And they had all of that. I ordered 2 buttermilk, and they had to substitute 2 of these little ones for the size of the big one. It's the exact same amount, so that doesn't bother me at all. And then, oh, that's it for the dairy and kind of frozen part for our Walmart grocery pickup. The code for our Albertsons grocery pickup, got a block of mozzarella since I can't find a big block at Sam's. They just don't carry it at my Sam's. Ice cream was on sale for $3.77 if you have their grocery app, and there was a limit of 2, so we got 2. This is Eleanor's favorite, the mint chocolate chip, and this is one of my favorites, the Millennial Crunch, but Thatcher really loves it too. So he and I will eat on this, plus he really loves the mint chocolate chip also, so he kind of gets a 2-for-1. They had some chicken on sale. It's $1.67 a pound for boneless, skinless, so I got 5 pounds. I'm going to pressure can some of this and see how that works. I got a bag of shrimp just so we can have some. I am going home this weekend, and I'm hoping I can find some better shrimp back home than this stuff, but it'll work in a pinch. They also had some ground beef for a pretty good price. It is the 73.17, so not my favorite, but this works really well for things like tacos and all, when the quality of meat just isn't that big of a deal. I know that sounds bad, but I also had a discount coupon on my app for eggs, so it took them from $1.50 for 12 to $1.20, so I got 5. This is not stockpiling, y'all. These will last us maybe 2 weeks. We go through a lot of eggs. And then this is our grocery, like when we went in the grocery store for Sam's. I got another block of cheese just because we use a lot of cheese. I still have a block in the fridge outside, but this will definitely, we'll go through both of those blocks by the next grocery pickup. Another pack of cream cheese. We needed some more pesto. I was a little frustrated that we had to go through a lot of expiration dates to get one that was not like right now. Some were expired and we let them know. But I guess people don't use pesto as much as we do. But we like our pesto. And this is a really good one too. Another thing of ranch, some milk, Michael's orange juice, some more stew meat. I'm going to can up some beef stew and do that. So we got 2 packs of that. That's almost 6 pounds. I got a little snack tray. I usually eat this while I'm grocery shopping, but we got through so quickly. And I had a slice of their pizza. So that's probably the bigger reason why I didn't eat it. But a little snack tray. We'll need some sour cream for some recipes coming up. And this is a humongous tub. 3 pounds. Some more biscuits because these are individual and easy to pop in the oven and not have to use a whole can. Especially if the kids just want some. You can just cook 2 biscuits. Michael's breakfast sandwiches. He eats like 1 or 2 of these every day. So we go through those quick. We don't really eat cinnamon rolls, but this was a good deal. I say we don't eat them. They last us a while. So this is a 4-pack. I went ahead and snagged them up just to have. Even when we start going on our trips, it'll be something we can put in the cooler to take to Nanny and Pappy's house. And a quick breakfast there. Alright, we're going to move on to our produce from each spot. So I picked up, we need a lot of peppers for this next 2 or 3 weeks of recipes that we're going to be doing. I may even have to get some more later, but picked up 2 bags of peppers from Sam's. A little thing of peaches. They smell really good. Always got to get our bananas. We need spinach for several recipes, some mushrooms, and that's really it for our Sam's veggies. Oh, before I forget, I picked up 2 more packs of canning jars from Walmart in my grocery pickup. I had added 3, but they weren't able to provide 1. This is the half pint and pint, and I had also gotten quart, but they weren't able to fulfill the quart. Then from my other Walmart grocery pickup, or from the rest, it's all one order, but I got 5 tomatillos. Well, 2, 4, 6. Looks like they gave me 6, but that'll be okay. 6 tomatillos, 2 packs of cilantro, and oh, that's it for my produce from Walmart. So not much, but we're having some pozole in the next day or 2, so that's what that will go for. My Albertsons had their avocados on sale, plus I had a coupon in my online app. So they're very small, but these little bags ended up being just $1 each. There was a limit of 2, otherwise I would have gotten a few more because we'll go through those fast. 2 little things of blackberries for the kids. This huge pineapple was only $1.50. Got some cabbage for pozole and for something else also, and some grapes. And really, it's a small produce section for us right now. Yeah, I guess I'm going to be using, which we have a bunch of our potatoes still, and we have some butternut squash and a few of our avocados that we haven't quite used up. Little bowl of onions and stuff. You'll see we have produce everywhere. This is from our Albertsons pickup also. Got some of these cookies. What are they? Southern Butter Pecan Cookies. So, and Eleanor and I already shared one. We didn't tell the boys, but those are super yummy. They had a 3 for $5 on the bag of chips. We use these for Frito pies, and these can be a car snack this weekend for the kids for our road trip. Got some small beans for some red beans and rice. I had a coupon for the 5-pound bag of flour, so I grabbed that one because I do need some flour. 2 small pizzas, a Meat Lovers, and a 5 cheese. These are on sale this week for $5 or $6 each. Michael's Red Bulls, they're on sale right now for $7 each. And that's it for my Albertsons pickup. For Sam's, I went in, I needed chicken base and beef base. They have no chicken base, so I just got a beef base. Some tortillas for some Mexican pizza we're going to make. Just Alfredo sauce to have in the pantry for a quick meal. Don't have anything specific in mind for that. Just keep a little bit for quick, fast meals on the ready. I needed some more quart freezer bags because we're down to our last box. A 10-pound bag of sugar. A little 35 pack of sodas. We also got 4 cases of water, which are outside. Thing of tissue paper, toilet paper. We're down to our last few rolls. So, like I said, we've really been trying to use up what we have and go through it all. And then the rest of my grocery pickup from Walmart. And this is just refilling so that we have some things on the shelf. Both bags of egg noodles we have for meals for in the next month. 1 box of jumbo shells I have planned for our pesto noodles, or cracked chicken pasta as the kids call it. 1 of the boxes of bow tie. We're going to make some Crawfish Monica with it. The potato gnocchi. I got 2 of these to make a copycat Olive Garden chicken gnocchi. Just a cheap thing of bread so we can make some Uncrustables for the freezer. There's a recipe I saw online called, I don't know, I'll have to let y'all know later, but it uses 2 cups of this biscuit. So I got that. I thought these were a bigger bag, but they're not. But we got these for some pozole, just because tostadas, the price was a lot higher this time. Just some bowls for whenever we have things like the pozole, so it doesn't stain our dishes quite as bad, and also if we want to take something quick on the road. My true bag of flour that I got the other one just because it was on sale and we need flour anyway, so we'll use it first. A box of wine to last me for the month. A bottle brush cleaner just so we can get down into these jars and our cups and things a little bit easier to clean them. A few bags of the bacon bits. These are the real bacon. I know you can get them in a bigger bag for a better price, but I feel like these last flavor-wise better when they're in a smaller package. Every time I get the big package, it goes rancid before we use it up. So that's why I got 4 small ones. I need some honey mustard for an Alice Springs copycat recipe I'm going to try. I got the kids some more of their little watermelon body wash. I got 1 to refill their stuff now and 1 so that we don't run out again. Just 4 cans of corn, 4 cans of peas, 4 cans of green chilies. We need a lot of green chilies for a lot of recipes we make. Can of tomato paste, some enchilada sauce for our Mexican pizza, and 8 cans of cream of chicken condensed soup. Now I had the frozen pizzas we got from Walmart. They were not able to provide, and a few other items they couldn't fulfill either. But that is our grocery haul. I'll leave the total prices for each place on the screen. And if you wanted to know the price of anything in particular, y'all just let me know. But over the next 3 weeks, I hope we really use up a lot of this and put it to good use. I hope it lasts us until then. Oh, milks and stuff. I didn't get enough that they're going to last, but none of the dates were far enough out for me to get those. And just different things like that. So we will have to stock up a little bit, especially produce, but I'm hoping the pantry freezer stuff really gets us through at least the next 3 weeks to a month. Fingers crossed. Y'all come back and see us and see what recipes we're going to be making with all of this. Thank y'all for joining us. See you next time. Bye.